Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the home button again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called About, and tap on it. And here you can find the serial number. If you scroll down, and right below the Harmony OS version, we have the serial number of the device. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to home screen. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.